What's up, guys? Mainly Hockey Cards here, and today, all the cool kids have been doing it. 2022-23 O-Pee-Chee Hockey. Also going with a new camera angle for the breaks, so we'll see how that goes. But anyways, let's get ripping right into this. 18 packs per box, 10 cards per pack. I've seen some cool stuff pulled from this product. As you can see, we've got the packs fanned out here. And let's get ripping on this. I'm actually really excited for this. I never break O-Pee-Chee. But it looked too cool this year to pass up. Base cards, quite nice. I always like the O-Pee-Chee design, nice and simple. Carrick, Kuzmenko, love Kuzmenko. O-Pee-Chee Premier, Kyle Connor. And a Morgan Riley O-Pee-Chee Retro. I think only the reds are blank backs. Maybe I'm wrong. But Jesper Bratt, John Klingberg, Wallstrom, and Patrick Kane. All-Star Mark Stone, Moritz Seider, playing card, pretty cool. Provorov, retro. Makar Mikola, one of my favorite, newest New York Rangers. Paul Palmieri, retro. Caden Korzak, marquee rookie. Blue Braden Point, and Austin Matthews retro. Rookie Jordan Spence, playing card Darcy Kemper, and Nicholas Backstrom retro. But Kent Johnson, rookie. Is this a rookie? Out of 99. Yeah. That has to be my biggest hit on the channel. Wow, that is awesome. 5 of 99 O-Pee-Chee Premier rookie of Owen Power. How sick is that? Wow. Wow, yeah, I'm stoked about that. I mean, look at that thing. Oh, it can't be worth too much, but how sick is that? Wow, that's awesome. Nick Suzuki, O-Pee-Chee Premier base. I don't think these have anything. Sam Carrick retro. Well, the box has been worth it. The box has been worth it. Asplund, Sandheim, Vrana, Burrows, Hunter Drew, O-Pee-Chee rookie. Matthew Tkachuk Premier, Voracek retro. All-Star Bergeron, Sandheim blue, Keller retro. All-Star Werenski, Yossi playing card, Suzuki retro. Kuznetsov All-Star, McMichael blue, Mantha retro. Braden Schneider rookie. Gallagher Premier, Kapanen retro. Rudolphs. Rookie, Michael Isamont. Blue, Bobby Brink rookie. And an Alex Vlasic retro rookie. Got a red in here. Sanderson, Leddy, All-Star Terry. Logan O'Connor red. Maybe a blank back. No. Nope. Retro Dylan Dubé. Rookie Braden Tracy. Michael Bunting playing card. Matthew Highmore retro. Checklist. Dowd. Pearson rookie. Pink of Derek Ryan. Are the pinks numbered? Yes. 70 of 75. Not bad. Not bad. Pink Derek Ryan out of 75. Ferraro. All-Star Nazem Kadri. Canucks. Tyler Myers. I believe this is just an O-Pee-Chee Black Rainbow. This is out of 100, I believe. So 3 numbered cards. Yep. 98 out of 100. Not bad. Robin Lehner, retro. Oh! Okay. A Jake Sanderson. O-Pee-Chee rookie out of 350. Rainbow, maybe? Like, this box has been good. This box has been really good. I must be beating the odds by quite a bit here. Wow, that is a nice hit there as well. It's a really nice hit. Another top rookie to get. Two great defensemen to get. Veleno. Last pack here. Michelli, rookie. Stevenson, blue. Josh Norris, O-Pee-Chee Premier, and a Rudolph's Balcers retro. So yeah, pretty incredible rip. Tyler Myers out of 100. Jake Sanderson rookie out of 350. Derek Ryan Pink out of 75. And then, oh my God, an Owen Power O-Pee-Chee Premier rookie out of 99. Biggest hit on the channel to date. Yeah, I'm stoked about that. I'm stoked. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind later. Peace out, everyone.